nagplano sad ka ma'am na magpa-rhinoplasty sa imong ilong?
Usahay class, no, makapangutan na sa kuha na sa ako kagalingon kung need ba gyud na ako magpa-rhinoplasty.
Ma'am, perfect na tayo imong nose ma'am. No need na magpa-rhino. No need ka na ma'am, uy.
Ayaw
na ma'am kay ma'am.
Undecided pa sa gyud ko class. Pero kung gustuhan gyud na ako, kaya gyud class. Kaya anyway, maka-loan na naman ko. Pwede naman ko mag-loan, tas ako pa-rhinoplasty, di ba nga nung hindi gyud. Pero, sa magduha-duha ko, okay naman ko sa akong itsura.
Ma'am, you don't have to conform to the society. Your look is valid. You are beautiful in your
Ma'am,
own ways.
masulod daw ang ballpen sa imong ilong kay sign daw na
Ay,
magpa-rhino.
mao. So, if masulod siya,
Yes, ma'am. Magpa-rhinoplasty.
pa-rhinoplasty, if dili siya, okay na.
Feeling na ko kay masulod yun siya sa ilong ni madam. Masulod sa kaya ang pentel pen. Hindi ko sure ha, pero
Sulod man siya.
It means to say ma'am that you need the rhinoplasty operation. Yes, because it is acceptable to the size of the nose.
yes, because if the size of the nose is directly proportional to the size of the pen, it is, yes.
Oh,
Magsulil
sadali.
pabaya sad na, ma'am.
It takes time para mag-heal gid ang nose. Unya, kailangan baya gid.
Kanya, what if masikuhan siya, ma'am?
Mausad. Mausad ang ako ang concern gid class. Di gid ko magpa-rhinoplasty gyud. Anyway, okay naman ko. Dawat naman sad ko sa ako ang uyab.
Ana all, ma'am.
Ang paglaganap ng rhinoplasty ay nagdudulot ng negatibong persepsyon sa ating mga sarili. Dahil dito, we start to question ourselves. Are we beautiful? Are we enough? Are we perfect? Yes, we are! We're beautiful! We are enough! We don't need rhinoplasty. We don't need such operations. And remember, if you want to do it for yourself. Not because you are being pressured by the society, by the people around you. You don't need it, Mom! You don't need that! You are enough! We are not here because of your pretty face. We are here to learn from you! We are here because of your wisdom! Because of your knowledge! We need that from you! So I want everyone to stand up and raise their hands! And together, let's sing! We are the world!
Ito kaya na sa si Jesseline. Bida-bida na sa